10 a.m. I believe. I just took my first shower in the bathroom that I and one of my roommates are sharing. Thank God we have hot water. Shower was really good. It's still a mess, honestly. Don't mind the mess on my desk, but you know, we're gonna make things work today. So the fit is fitting. Hey guys, I am back in the room, and so yeah, it's about after 3, about 3:15, 3:20, I want to say. I just got back in the room. It smells so nice because of that wallflower I put in last night. I'm really glad I put it in because now the room smells really nice. It doesn't smell musty at all, and it's just a really nice fresh scent. I want to call my mom, but I might have to do it while I'm on my way to another location because I actually have to work a shift at 4 p.m. covering for a welcome event at one of the locations on campus. Hey everyone, so I am back in the apartment. As you can see, the room is starting to look a little bit better. We've sort of decluttered around here on the corner. The dresser is still empty. I was planning on doing clothing tomorrow, but honestly, after some serious thought and also the fact that I'm not tired or sleepy at all right now, I'm gonna do clothing probably tonight, especially since tomorrow I also again have a lot of things to get done around campus, meeting people, going places, and yeah. Good morning everyone, it is Sunday. The room looks a lot cleaner, a lot less cluttered and claustrophobic now. I still have to do, of course, wall decor, like putting up my LEDs and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna get around to doing that today because today is quad day. We'll see how things go today. Hey, I'm vlogging.
Oh, look what I'm advertising. Wait, it's actually a really good bag.
Really?
I like how this is like a big strap. Cause like straps are like spaghetti straps sometimes. So it's, like,
yeah, I know, because it's better because it doesn't like dig into like your shoulder. Like this one's actually thinner. Like I don't like it as much because if I put too much in it,
I like it.
It like digs into my shoulder and it's like awful. I'm gonna grab water and then we can head out. Meeting with Noor and then possibly quad day. I don't know. Ooh. We'll see. I got the iced chocolate cream mocha. The baby.
Oh, what?
Do you want to be in the vlog? Yeah. Here. JT. Vlogging. Say hi. You look so tired. Oh my god. It's like so picturesque though. It is. I'm gonna head out. Sounds good. Oh, I forgot about that.
Nice. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for taking it. Like, I feel so bad whenever I lift food rocks. So.
Yeah, same. So I'm back from just IV events and everything. I would have vlogged, but it just didn't seem like it was the right time or right moment to be vlogging. That's like the equivalent of filming or vlogging yourself at a church service, and why would I do that? But it was so nice seeing everyone after summer break and everything, meeting new faces, reconnecting with old ones. It's like 1 a.m. now. I got back 2 hours ago, but I've literally just been talking this entire time with one of my roommates. And honestly, I love my roommates, all of them, and they're all just fantastic. And so I'm very excited to continue, like, you know, rooming with them for the whole year, seeing where this goes, where this takes us. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to college. There's a lot going on this upcoming week, but also not a lot since it's the first week of classes. I only have one class today, and it starts at 2 p.m. It's about 9 a.m. Don't ask me why I woke up this early. I'm a little bit of a morning person, so we'll see how this goes. So it feels too early to be doing classes and stuff. I don't know. I looked at my phone. I was like bombarded with like Canvas emails. I was just like, oh.
Oh, really? Well, I didn't get any Canvas emails yet. I should probably look into that.
Yeah, like the notifications are starting to roll in, and I'm just like, I just sharpened these. And so I have this as well. I was thinking of possibly doing just a teeny tiny bit of makeup. I usually don't do makeup, but I don't know. This is gonna be like the first time I'm lining my lips, so bear with me. This is like kind of scary. Yeah, if I just like don't drink water and I don't eat, I think we'll be good. And it's like, it won't get messed up, right?
It's usually like, you know, let's talk with you for about an hour, then let's break up and do an activity, let's get back together, let's do some Q&A.
Why am I hover? Like,
Oh, hover?
hover is also smart.
I thought you said cover. I don't know what to do now.
He's kind of wait, stand right here. You'll see him. He's slanted.
Wait, oh no, he is slanted.
I have a feeling
He's slanted.
he's a little slanted because I was too scared to put thumbtacks in, so I was like, okay, maybe I'll just.
Wait, but it still looks good though.
I'll just turn off the lights.
I got you.
Apparently it's not recycling. No cardboard boxes and a recycling sign. And I'm just like, that's so like confusing. As we're here with Sophia.
Yay.
My heart is sad and lonely.
Yo.
I have for I have
I'm finally done. And oh my god, that was so boring. So boring. It's not awful, but it's, you know, your classic intro level college class, which is going to be boring, I feel. So I'll probably eat and then we'll see what we're gonna do tonight. No!
I'll be like so sad. Oh, what was I saying?
Is she gonna turn on?
Maybe it was because like it had a heat stroke.
I've had a heat stroke.
We did. Wait, did you bring yours outside? And then she forgot to restart her and
Is she? Oh my gosh! Yes!
This is like.
from my one class from this morning and then about a 5 to 6 hour long shift. I'm gonna probably work a little more on my assignment tracker because I really haven't gathered all the necessary information that needs to go on there. Basically prep to go study with some people later.
Did you ever take med chem? I didn't take med chem. I took OChem.
Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday morning, about 8:30, 8:20, around there. I need to purchase my textbook, which is at least $60. I was so close to making it through this entire week without having to purchase a single textbook. I thought this was going to be the semester that I didn't have to spend any money on annoying textbooks. I was wrong. We have lab before lecture for this class, so I gotta head out pretty soon.
We have the same exact thing.
Who's taking? I thought one of you.
So we didn't have a choice.
Starting off with a small
Doing my homework right now, and oh my god, this is something I cannot be putting off. And I'm learning my lesson the hard way because it's due in 30 minutes and I have like 5 more sections that I need to complete and submit within the next 30 minutes. Like, I'm not doing this again and putting it off like this. I had no idea. It's Friday morning, a little before 8:30. I have to head out in literally 2 minutes so that I can head to my first in-person business class. And then after that I have work, one more class, and then I'm gonna hit the gym with Sophia. It's about 5 p.m. right now. I spent about an hour talking to my mom on the phone, and then around 4, I literally took the longest shower of my life. Considering the fact that I have large group in literally 3 hours, double cleansed my face, and then took a shower and exfoliated, and I feel so much better right now. I'm so glad that I moved my working hours to a different day so that I wouldn't be in the office on Friday afternoons for this exact reason. That's a huge game changer for me, honestly, right now. I'm gonna make mac and cheese again and get ready to head to Sophia's for a bit of fantasy football drafting.